Jada here, back with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how I get this blonde hair into a ponytail with black hair. Today I will be using Sunber hair. I have been working with this company for a little over a month now, and I am in love with the company. That's my honest opinion on it. Sunber sent me 26, 28, and 30-inch bundles with a 20-inch closure, and I decided to cut bangs into it to switch it up. Other than that, besides frizziness, I haven't been dealing with any type of shedding or anything in that nature, so I definitely love working with this company. We're about to get this video started so y'all can see what I do. I will be using the invisible ponytail method. I'm going to get y'all to that method. So let's get into it. Well, that's it. That's how I do my invisible ponytails using my Sunber hair. Shout out to them. I love it. I did not mean to make my ponytail this long, but I'm gonna make it work. It's like 40 inches. That's about it. It takes like maybe an hour to 30 minutes depending on if you rush or not. But overall, I'm in love with this hair. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to see when I upload.